So guys, this is the time for array implementation, and this is the next video in data structure series. Okay, now it's fine. So in this video we will know about how to implement array and know about the implementation of 2D array and 3D means multi-dimensional array. Okay, so let's first check out about how to implement array. Okay, now I stream. Great. Int main, this is the main function, and in this you have two choice, either store the elements at this time or take the element from the user. Great. So we will see we want take the element from the user. Okay, let's int row. Great. Rows and int columns. This will be better. And now just focus how to implement array if you are a beginner. Int array. Now column means square brackets, and now rows, columns. Great. Now let's check this line. Int is the type, means data type of this array. If you written here double, then it's a double array, means double type array. If you write it here char, then it's char type array. That's it. So we wrote it here int, that means it is a data type int, array of data type int. So simple, isn't? And this is the name of array. Either you can do some change the name, some manipulation in name, just like my array, it's also fine. Or you can also do my. This is also an array. Array is defined by these square brackets. Okay, so this contains size. If we declare only one dimensional array, then it's it. Rows contain size, means how many blocks should be added in this array. Great. So in square brackets we have to give size, number of size, means we are given two size. This one is rows is just like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and columns is just like 1 2 3 4 5. Great. So this is 2D array. So let's check out first of all only 1D array. And now check the input. Int rows. So we have to first of all initialize the rows in for loop, and I will be run to rows, because suppose the value of rows is 10, then I will be counted till 9, because whenever it 10, then the condition becomes false, but the total number of blocks will be 10. Okay, so don't mind if the loops run for 9 times or 10 times. Actually loop will run 10 times, but the value of I runs only at 9 times. Great. Now we have to learn how to initialize array. Great. Then same array, no, our array name is my, then my square brackets and I. Why we wrote here I? Because if I is equal to 0, then the element should be assigned in the first block, means zeroth block. If the I is 1, then the element we have to put that gets inside in array 1, array index 1. That's it. So now For printing array, we have to again make a for loop rows, and here cout. So our file name is basic g++ basics 0 dot cpp dash o dot out. Our compilation has been successful. This time to print the array int basics dot out. What? No such file or directory here. Great. One more time. Never give up. Dot out. Segmentation fault. We got segmentation fault, and we will see why. Now we will. Oh, because you are initializing rows after given this the number. That's why you got a segmentation fault. You first initialize the number of rows, after that you will assign here. Got it? Now we will not get a segmentation fault after getting compilation. Just see, there is not any error. So we have to assign 5 elements. Just give it 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. And this is our output. 1 2 3 4 5. How simple is that, isn't it? Yes, is it? So now let's check about 2D array. So for 2D array, we have to make two square brackets here for giving them, and initialize the size inside these brackets. Here is the number of rows and here is the number of columns. Okay, it will run to the rows and no. So for this we have to change the entire for loop conditions for rows, and after that for columns. Now this will be j, because we cannot take the same variable nested inside a for loop or the same for loop. Get it? Now we have to take the input, same my rows, columns. So simple. Again, for printing the array, rows, columns. For printing the array, we just have to print cout my square brackets, rows and columns, and here we have to do some manipulation, just like andl for changing the line and giving some gap here. And these rows and columns is only for to get a better idea of it. You have to write it here I and j for getting the desired output. Same here, I and j. Let's compile this program. There will be no error. Open terminal, clear it out first. Our compilation has been successful. Dot basics dot out. Here is that. Just like we want 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so we have to put some elements, just like 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6. Great. And the same output is that. Is that cool? Yes, this is it. Hope you will get a better understanding of 1D array, 2D array, and we are going to do some more programs. So don't forget to check out the 0 to 1 series. So this is our C++ program to print two-dimensional array. We are assigning this array number of elements in array at compilation time. That's it. And this is a very simple thing. Add to for loop, and inside that for loop you just have to print what you just wanna print, and in square brackets just in first put the number of rows and in second the number of columns, and always remember. Okay, so this is so simple, and in next video we will do some program of arrow rotation, means multi-program of array. Okay, I'm going to upload my all implementation programs videos to 0 to 1 series. Just go there and check it out, and don't forget to subscribe it. So thanks, stay cool, see you soon.